Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video we will make our new simulation that is based upon the half adder logic circuit within the tinkercad. So first we have to click the circuits and then click on create new circuit, and our window will be open in some time. It is taking a bit long, but wait until it open. Okay, now we have our main window open now. Okay, now there are two main gates involved, or logic component involved inside the half adder, and they are the AND gate and XOR gate. So we will write AND, or we will write 74HC, and here we will got our AND gate IC, that is quad AND gate IC, and also the quad XOR gate IC. Okay, now we will arrange both of them. Okay, now is according to the logic circuit diagram, we have two input and two outputs. So but first we will make our power circuit as like we did in all our previous videos. So we will write battery, we will take our battery, we will rotate it out, then we will take our voltage regulator, that is LM7805. Okay, now you have to connect in terminal or I terminal of the voltage regulator with that of the positive terminal of the 9 volt, ground with the ground, output with the power pins of the ICs. And whatever voltage regulator is doing, it is converting 9 volt to 5 volt, so that is why we have to put it there. Okay, now we also need to connect the grounds of both the ICs and also connect the ground with the ground of 5 volt voltage regulator. After it, we will take our dip switches for two inputs. Now we are going to connect our like top ends with the 5 volt output. Okay, now the bottom ends with the input IA, and here input 1B. So you need to connect them out. Okay. Okay, now we will use two LEDs for our output. LEDs, simple LEDs, okay. As these LEDs cannot tolerate 5 volt because their operational voltage is around 2.2 to 3 volts. So we need to take two resistors as a current limiting resistor. They will also work for to drop some voltage and also to limit the current. So 100 ohm value is enough for our current limiting. Okay, now our okay, sorry for that, it is not that like that. We just need to connect the cathodes of the LEDs with the grounds, okay, and not with the output. So we just need to go for the any ground like the common ground. So also arrange the wires, okay, like this way. Okay, now the first anode of the first LED must be with the output of, yes, it must be with the, okay, now the first one or the first IC output is actually the carry one, that is the AND, that is for carry. And what about the XOR? Because XOR shows a sum, so that is why we also need to connect input 1A and input 1B with the input 1A like this, and we can do it like this, and okay, this is like 1A and input 1B with 1B. Okay, now our circuit is completed. Okay, now we will see that what will be the output. As we know that when 0 is added with 0, it will gives us like 0 sum and 0 carry. When we will add 0 with 1, it will give us sum 1 and 0 carry. When we will add 1 and 0, it will give us sum 1 and carry 0. But when we use to sum 1 and 1, it will give us sum 0 and carry 1. So either they will perform like it or not, we will see, okay. So when it is 0 and 0, we can see that both the LEDs are off and sum is 0 and carry is 0. The above one is carry, the below one is sum. When we will like rise 1, we can see that our sum is 1, still the carry is 0. The above one is carry and the lower one is sum. So we will rise this one and this one. Again, it is like 0 and 1. The lower one is 1, that is sum is 1, and the above one, that is the carry is 0. But when we will make both of them high or 1 1, then we can see that our sum value is 0 and our carry value is 1. So this is the basic circuit simulation of the half adder, like a half adder. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting this channel.